Fernando Cuadrado S. Inertia Earthway.
Why do we have seasons? Seasons occur because the Earth is tilted as it faces the Sun, so the Sun's energy falls more strongly on some parts of the Earth than others at different times of the year. The Earth's poles are not perpendicular to the Sun. The Earth is slightly tilted on its axis, so as the Earth travels around the Sun, the northern and southern hemispheres tilt towards and away from the Sun at opposite times of the year. Let's look at what happens over an entire year. On March the 21st, the Earth's hemispheres equally face the Sun. In both hemispheres, we see the Sun rises due east and sets due west, dividing day and night evenly into 12 hours of each. But in the northern hemisphere it is spring, and in the southern it is autumn. A quarter of a year later, on June the 21st, the Earth's northern hemisphere is now tilted towards the Sun, receiving more solar energy while the southern hemisphere receives less. This creates the northern hemisphere's warm summer and the southern hemisphere's cold winter. In the northern hemisphere, the Sun is seen rising further to the north, travelling higher in the sky and setting further north. The day is therefore longer, and strong sunlight strikes the Earth more directly from above. In the southern hemisphere, the Sun is seen rising further to the north, travelling lower in the sky and setting further north. The day is therefore shorter and the sunlight weaker because it strikes the Earth at a lower angle. Another quarter of an orbit later, the seasons change again. On September the 21st, the hemispheres again equally face the Sun. We see the Sun follow the same path through the sky as it did in spring. The northern hemisphere receives less energy from the Sun than in summer, so it experiences cool autumn weather, while in the southern hemisphere, the Sun starts to warm the Earth more, so spring is in the air. On December the 21st, the Earth is on the opposite side of the Sun than in June. It is now winter in the northern hemisphere because it is tilted away from the Sun, while in the southern hemisphere it is summer because that hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. The cycle of the seasons now starts again.